Welcome back to QRepubliC. Today is October 19th, 2021, Tuesday. Our PSEi today closed at 7,266.31 with foreign selling around 65 million pesos. So unfortunately, naputol natin yung consistent buying, pero ang maganda naman is hindi pa natin siya masabing selling pressure dahil mababa lang yung ating volume today. So isa po itong net foreign indicator sa pwede nating bantayan to know the pulse of our investors, which is our biggest contributor sa paggalaw ng ating market. Sa ating news today, kahit mahina yung ating mga counterparts sa Asia Pacific kahapon due to our gradual reopening of the economy, in general way, maganda or positive yung naging dating nito sa ating mga investors. So, one of the concerns ng ating Asian markets kahapon is yung GDP report of China. And isa sa mga stocks na bumuhay naman sa ating PSEi kahapon were Ali, JGS, and ICT. According naman kay Call Financial, we can consider now the 7,000 level as our new base or pwede nating masabing immediate support considering that the investors are now positive with our reopening of the economy. And kahit may risks tayo regarding inflation, interest rates hike, and weakening of peso, sabi ng Call Financial, PSEi will likely remains resilient. So buy on dips strategy heading to 2022 is a possible approach as of the moment. And based na rin sa ating chart, our momentum remains strong, still maintaining the uptrend channel and trading above moving average 9. So more on hold pa rin po tayo, and buy could be an option as well as long as there is no strong selling pressure that can be observed on the stocks that we are monitoring. We are also challenging our high around 7,200 or 7,300 dito sa sideways range natin. So possible pullback can happen. That's where the dips na pwedeng mangyari, which one of the observation ni Call Financial. So sa mga possible dips, if meron tayong extra BP or if we are into investment, maganda pong bumili. So let us continue to monitor our market, be wiser than we are yesterday, and continue to invest for our future. For JFC, follow-up lang po tayo sa review natin kahapon. Check po muna natin yung ating net foreign indicator. Though bumaba yung ating volume, we can still see the consistency of the support from October 7th, which shows that we have foreign buyers on the current level of JFC. We are on buying today around 24 million pesos. Volume-wise, we are on flat. Hindi strong yung dating natin, which is good as we are maintaining our current flow. Market is undecided per our candlestick, so may pagtatalo po between buyers and sellers, pero magandang indicator natin dito is yung ating volume kasi mababa lang siya, so hindi siya malikot yung takbo natin, hindi volatile, kumbaga steady lang tayo. So overall, we're good to hold and shares accumulation on every dip in case man we are investing on JFC. 210 peso area remains our strong support, and for the current time 220 is our immediate support. So dito tayo pwedeng maka-experience ng mga dip. For Ayala Corporation, follow-up lang din po tayo from our review yesterday. 836 area remains our strong support. We are on a bearish candlestick, but based on our volume, nabawasan yung ating selling pressure from yesterday. And still, more on wicks or undecided pa rin po yung ating ma-observe while maintaining our current low at 852 area. So yan po yung ating immediate low or immediate support. So kahit more on selling volume tayo for the last 2 trading days, may mga buyers tayong na-observe as we are not forming a solid bearish candlestick. So we are observing a good consolidation between buyers and sellers. Sa ating net foreign indicator, we can still see a consistent support, especially recently October 14th, starting October 14th. And today, we are on buying around 64 million pesos. Thus, we have foreign buyers on AC's current price. We are still good to hold and buy, especially on dips dito kay Ayala Corporation. And possible low natin is at 836 area. So if ever may chance tayong i-retest itong area na yan, which is good area to accumulate shares if by any chance. For RLC, follow up lang din po tayo with our review yesterday. Market is showing that we have a lot of sellers near our upper border of this downtrend channel going to our high area around 18.20. Our volume is above average, which means that we are having more trading transactions than usual. Sa ating net foreign indicator, our volume is escalating and we are on buying around 42 million pesos today. Thus, we can see that we are having foreign buyers on RLC's current price. Though weak yung candlestick natin today, especially na na-push pababa yung price natin, yung ating high price today, hold can still be our option and buy can be our option as well. We can see that we were able to open higher than our closing price yesterday. So meron tayong momentum kasi in essence, gumawa tayo ng ating higher high. Plus, we have foreign buyers. And the selling that happened today, we can relate it most likely sa mga short-term holders, especially sa mga nakabili at 15.95 area dito sa low natin, as they will have at least 8% gain from this area. For home, a follow-up with our review yesterday, nabawasan ang ating selling pressure at it turned green, and the way our candlestick formed today, marami tayong naging buyers sa ating low price near moving average 20 as we pushed our price up hanggang ating opening price today. That's a good sign of strength. Sa ating net foreign indicator, consistent buying pa rin po tayo, and today we receive around 3.75 million pesos. So foreigners are still buying on our current range. Though may mga good points tayong na-observe kay home today, it would be better to observe further before buying. Ang magandang indication kasi is mapahupa natin yung ating selling pressure nung nakaraang 2 araw. So hopefully masustain natin by tomorrow or this week yung pagbawas ng ating selling pressure. What we want to see is mabawasan yung ating sellers kasi most likely may mga natitira pang sellers, especially the short-term holders na gustong mag-take ng gains or yung mga gainers natin na hindi pa nakaka-exit. So patuloy po nating bantayan yung ating selling pressure for home. So hopefully mas mabawasan or mag-flat lang yung ating volume, or kung hindi naman kaya is magkaroon tayo ng high volume pero more into buying, and then yung result ng candlestick should be a bullish candlestick. Pero as of the moment, ayan po yung ating kailangang bantayan, yung selling pressure volume-wise, as well as the 9.90 support, which we want to become strong or possible low dip lang natin kay home to continue its uptrend and regain its momentum. For COSC, just a follow-up as well from yesterday, nahinto po yung selling pressure na na-observe natin kahapon, and the market formed a solid bullish candlestick. So meron tayong nakikita ngayong positive improvement sa kanya as we were able to engulf the 3 previous reds that we made. Sa ating net foreign indicator, balik din po yung ating buying. So buying tayo today around 2.30 million pesos. Highlight na rin po natin yung ating foreign buying or itong net foreign indicator natin on the current time, kasi if we are going to compare our net foreign indicator during the sideways trend, yung meron po tayong sideways trend ngayon lang po tayo nagkaroon ng good numbers of buying. So isa po siya sa magandang obserbahan kay COSC para malaman natin kung magiging consistent ba or magtutuloy-tuloy yung ating buying, especially on our current price. Though may strength tayong na-observe today, mas magandang mag-observe pa tayo further kasi gusto nating ma-rule out or mahinto ng tuluyan yung ating selling pressure bago tayo bumili. may possibility kasing bounce lang din yung candlestick natin today kasi after ng sunod-sunod na red candlestick, so possible na bounce lang siya. So, obserbahan po natin yung kanyang volume. Mas maganda kung magiging flat or below average ulit tayo tomorrow until the rest of the week to ensure na mawala yung ating selling pressure or makalabas yung ating mga sellers. Pero if tomorrow or the day after gumawa tayo ng malalaking volume at more buying and another solid bullish candlestick yung gawin natin, it could be a start of a positive or good run dito kay COSC as we are going to break the 5.15 immediate resistance if by any chance. For MPI, a follow-up from our yesterday's video or review, market still shows a strong resistance around 4.08 area as the sellers push the price down from our high price today. Sa ating net foreign indicator, solid pa rin po yung ating support at buying tayo today around 36 million pesos. Our volume is high today which we can incorporate to a selling pressure as the sellers won the battle today. But the good thing that the market made is that na-maintain pa rin natin yung ating strong momentum as we still close above the candlestick last October 15th. The selling that happened today can be incorporated as well sa steep move na ginawa ng market from 3.70. So yung mga short-term holders natin had gained at least around 8%. So they possibly did a profit taking today. Overall, good to hold pa rin po tayo kay MPI due to our good momentum and good support from the foreigns. As to buying, it's fine as well. Kaya lang malayo pa tayo sa ating moving average 9. So very strong pa rin yung ating momentum. So if ever may chance pa tayong mag-pullback pa ng konti, around 3.95. So may magandang area pa kung saan tayo pwede mag-accumulate ng shares if by any chance. For Metrobank, we are currently experiencing selling pressure for 2 trading days now as our volume is quite high and somewhat good body of bearish candlestick, especially today, showing that sellers dominates the market currently. Sa ating net foreign indicator, we are still consistent sa ating foreign buying and today we receive around 14 million pesos. At this point, may kita po natin na nanghina yung ating momentum as we are forming lower highs recently upon reaching our peak around 50.28 area. We cannot confirm yet if bababa na ba tayo ng tuluyan as we are still trading above moving average 9 and moving average 20 dito sa ating blue line. So in a sense, may momentum pa tayo na nakikita dito kay Metrobank. So possible na pullback lang din yung nangyari. So hold can be our option as of the moment, but we have to check Metrobank from time to time para makabenta kagad tayo pag lumakas pa yung ating selling pressure if by any chance. Kasi remember na sa strong resistance tayo, the last time we touch it is nag-consolidate tayo and then bumaba pa rin ulit. So yan yung isa sa mga babantayan natin kay Metrobank. As for buying, we are currently on the resistance area with selling pressure. So buy could not be an option as of the moment. So more on observation po muna tayo as of this time. For Basic Energy Corporation, we made a very bullish candlestick accompanied by a huge volume today. So more on buyers po tayo. And roughly, yung move natin today, if we're going to measure that, gave us a gain around 20% itong buong kandila natin. Net foreign indicator wise, we can see a selling pressure at mas nadagdagan pa yung ating selling volume from yesterday. So selling tayo today around 3.87 million pesos. So wala po tayo nakikitang bumibiling foreign investors sa current range or current price ni PSEi. Sa mga current holders natin na hindi pa nakakabenta, please be advised of a possible profit taking tomorrow and possible continuation as well the day after tomorrow due to sudden big gains which gave us 20% in just one day. So hindi rin po advisable bumili on its current area due to possible profit taking. Also, sa ating fundamental scores, red flag tayo sa ating earnings per share and return on equity. So there is a good chance na hindi pa magtuloy yung ating pag-breakout sa 0.61 area. The latest news that we have as of the moment for PSEi is their disclosure regarding their meeting on October 15th, which one of their agendas is regarding with the approved proposed equity investment in Phil Oil Energy Company and acquire interest up to 60%. So maaring sudden pump yung nangyari sa atin today, then possible sell-on news tomorrow. So ayan yung ating babantayan by tomorrow, and let us carefully observe PSEi as of the moment, especially if gusto natin bumili sa kanya. For PHA, we are still on a weak momentum as we are trading below moving averages, especially moving average 200 dito sa ating green line. So medyo nasa mababang area na tayo, which indicated na sobrang tamlay ng ating momentum or lack of support from the market. May kita po natin yan sa ating flat volume or just within the range yung ating mga volume recently. So tuluyan na po natin break down yung ating strong support last time at 0.90 area dito sa ating sideways, and from there apparently we are still continuing doing lower highs kasi bumababa yung ating moving average 9, which is our current immediate resistance, and then bumababa rin yung ating price, which still give us a downtrend view. Possible reason for this is our fundamental scores. Apparently, red flags tayo sa kanyang earnings per share and return on equity. So, kahit mababa itong ating book value, which is a green flag, more on red flags pa rin yung kanyang nagiging weight. So, unfortunately, if binabantayan natin itong si PHA, yung current support natin na 0.80 area, posible pa natin siyang ma-breakdown due to our weak momentum and less support from the market. So, as of the moment, hindi pa po magandang bumili kay PHA, and more on observation po muna tayo para if ever hindi tayo maipit sa mabagal na progress, and we can check other possible stocks na pwede tayong maging profitable.